Hey, today I wanted to show off a really neat product. This is the Great Stuff Wide Spray. We're going to be applying it up here along the rim joist. Currently there is no insulation. I'm hoping to apply a little bit of a layer there. We are coming into the cold time now, so no time better than now. First things first, we're going to wipe it down. You don't want any dust there. It could prevent good adhesion. So we're just going to wipe it down a little bit. Not too bad. Now it comes with two different nozzles. This is the cone nozzle. It's for smaller areas, hard to reach areas. And this is the fan nozzle. And the fan nozzle actually has a slot there, and you can rotate it too. So depending on which direction you want to spray your layer. So for this application, I'm going to be choosing the cone nozzle. And we're going to put it on. We're going to tighten it down until we hear a click. Hold the can upside down like so. Let it grow. This spot. That happens. It really takes some getting used to, I suppose. Careful now. That's better. Yeah, it takes some finesse. You'll get better at it. Let's get this one good too. Start at the bottom. Here we go. Not bad. I feel like I overdid it on the first one here. This one looks better. Yeah, I overdid it here where a lot of it fell down. I had to put more in. I probably overdid it here too. I mean, you want a nice even layer. I don't think I was moving fast enough. It definitely would take some finesse and getting used to, but I think it's a good product. Well, I thought about it and I think I'd like to try the fan nozzle. So we're gonna give it a shot and see if that works any better. All right, here we go. Oh, wish me luck. Yep, that's what I should have done. Much easier. Yep, that's the way to do it. Got one more here too. Let's see what we can do. I blew that piece off. We got it, I think. Good enough. I missed that little bottom portion. But it might expand and cover it, so we're gonna leave it be and see how that goes. This one's gonna be a little tight, but we'll see what we can do. Here we go. Now we got this one here. Here we go. Well, I must say, I think the fan tip does a little bit better for what I was looking for. It's much easier. Yeah, it's a little messy. There's a little bit of stuff flying all over. So if you do have some of that thin plastic sheeting, I think it'd be smart to put it around your workspace. Anything that you don't want this foam to get onto. If you've used foam products like this before, the foam can be a pain in the butt to clean up. So anything you can protect with plastic, the the better off you will be. I hope you found this video helpful. You had to bear with me a little bit in the beginning as I was figuring it out, but I think I prefer the fan nozzle. It just seemed to apply a lot more even for the DIYer at home. I think that this product is a good product and I could see it having many uses and applications. Definitely take the time and do the prep work and put the plastic sheeting down. Now, if you're doing a deer blind or anything like that, have at it. I think this product would be awesome for that. So, I hope you liked the video. Check out the product if you're interested.